Legends of Learning presents the Gravity Golf Game. This is a science game that makes learning about gravitational force fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, KT the Caddie just started her first day on the Intergalactic Golf Course. Train alongside her under the mentorship of Mannie the Manager and become the best and most tipped caddy of all time. Use the mouse to click on the different planets and other orbiting objects to move them around to get the perfect shot at a hole-in-one. Play golf in space and learn more about the effects of gravity on different orbiting objects in space. Use treasure to purchase upgrades and read interesting science facts about gravitational forces. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.